Banks to strike work today. All the public sector banks and some of the private sector banks would remain closed on December 26, Wednesday, as union have given a call for strike against the government's proposed merger of Bank of Baroda, Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank. CSIR may have 8 mantris in phase 1. Cabinet formation likely to be on December 30. Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao is likely to form the state cabinet on December 30. He may induct about 8 MLAs into the cabinet in the first phase. TRS sources said that only 2 auspicious days are left in this year, December 28 and 30. Mr. Rao, who sets great store by such things, will therefore most likely name his cabinet on December 30. Chhattisgarh to return Tata plant land to farmers. The newly elected Congress government in Chhattisgarh has decided to return the land of farmers in Bastar district acquired by the BJP government in 2008 for then proposed Tata Steel plant project in the area. CSIR stands tall with 10 innovations in 2018. It ranked 9th in the world amongst 1207 institutions. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research has had an exciting 2018, where India's first biofuel-powered flight, aerospace technology, research in rare diseases, stroke, artificial intelligence, and water disinfection have seen a major boost, ranked 9th in the world amongst a total of 1,207 government institutions. According to Scimago Institutions ranking, the institute has come a long way. These are 10 exciting achievements which are going to take shape in the year 2019. RTC and autos off roads for January strike. All Road Transport Corporation (RTC) bus services, auto rickshaws and cabs would be halted along with other transport services, as these labor unions have extended their solidarity to the Nationwide Labour Association's strike on January 8 and 9, 2019 to protest the central government's anti-labor policies. The TSRTC employees unions have given their strike notice to Executive Director Mr. M. Ravinder at Bus Bhavan on Monday. Aadhaar not mandatory for admission. UIDAI. Unique Identification Authority of India has informed schools that students should not be denied admission on the grounds that they do not have an Aadhaar card. The admission season in the state has started even before the government has officially ordered it. Metro Rail yet to get Rs 144 crore from centre. An amount of rupees 144 crore is pending for release from the center to L&T Hyderabad Metro Rail Limited immediately as part of the viability gap funding. This is causing a lot of financial stress. Senior officials of L&T told Chief Secretary Dr. S.K. Joshi in a meeting. Jawan dies in Jammu and Kashmir. Terrorists attack. A soldier belonging to Telangana state was killed in an encounter with terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir. Army officials made arrangements to bring the 40-year-old Jawan Dakwe Rajesh body to his native village Ravindranagar in Komuram Bhim, Asifabad district to perform his final rites. Rajesh, who joined the Indian Army in 1997, had recently visited his family during the assembly elections and returned 10 days ago, said family members. He is survived by his wife and 2 children. His body is likely to reach his hometown by Tuesday evening. Indonesia tsunami toll reaches 429. The death toll from the tsunami that hit Indonesia islands without a warning on Saturday night has passed 429 with more than 1400 people injured and 128 people missing. The frontman of popular Indonesian pop group 17 was to bury his wife Tuesday, compounding a tragedy that saw his 3 bandmates also killed when a tsunami tore into their open-air concert. New 20 rupees note set to be introduced. The RBI will soon introduce a new 20 rupees currency note with additional features, according to a document of the central bank. The RBI has already issued new look currency notes in the denominations of 10 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees and 500 rupees, besides introducing 200 rupees and 2000 bank notes.